Hi, my name is Otti. This is my new carport from Allen's factory. This is my new 24 by 55, 14 tall carport. I use it to store my RV in. I got a 42-foot long RV as a toy hauler. I got plenty of room to park it, put all the slides out. I can keep it out all the time underneath the cover. Plus the sun and all is not bearing down on it with this cover. It's really saves your RV. I also park my tractor on one side of it. Gives me plenty of room to keep my tractor components and things like that also underneath the cover. This is square tubing, 12 gauge material. It withstands 170 mile-an-hour wind. I live south of Houston, which we get hurricanes different times a year. Very good heavy material to help you with wind. Yeah, also the sheeting I got the 3-foot drop down that helps you in your sway support the building so it's not swaying because of wind. As you see, this is what they call a sandstone color. They have many other variety of colors, but I picked the sand tone because my home and my well shed has the same colors to match. Thanks for visiting my Allen's carport.